Welcome to English Sound Test. All right, for grade 3. This is for grade 3 and above. Section A, Objectives. Choose the correct answers. Number 1, ow, as in dash. A, show. B, town. C, meet. The answer is town. Number 2, O. O as in dash. A, sound. B, slow. C, sit. It is slow. Number 3, sound is R. R as in A, bat. B, bark. C, mat. It is option C, bark. Number 4, sound S. As in dash. A, bed. B, birth. C, born. It is birth. Options number 5 rather. The sound is e. Option A, sir. B, head. C, earth. It is head. Number 6, we have ch as in A, church. B, shirt. C, skirt. It is church, option A. Number 7, we have sound sh. A, shoe. B, chemistry. C, sail. It is shoe. The sound for this sh is found in sh in shoe. Number 8, we have sound e. E. Option A, B. Option B, fight. Option C, there. The answer is B. Option A. Then number 9, we have number 9 sound as e. Option A, sit. B, seat. C, sight. It is sit. Option A. Then number 10, we have E. A, eat. B, weather. C, wait. It is eat. Thank you so much for watching that short test. Part B is on words and their vocabularies. All right? So in the next video, you'll watch it. Thank you so much.